This is how you solve glare after LASIK surgery. LASIK surgery is advertised as this amazing surgery. Throw away your contacts, throw away your glasses. But something that can happen after LASIK surgery that they don't mention, glare. Every patient, nearly every patient that has LASIK will experience slightly more glare than they had before they had LASIK surgery. It's extremely common. Glare is caused because the cornea is no longer its normal shape, and because it's not normal anymore, because as a flap has been cut into the eye usually and the cornea has been reshaped, light doesn't enter the eye the same way as it used to be, causing a lot of glare, especially at night. At nighttime, when your pupils get really big, you get a lot of glare. Now, how do you get rid of the glare? Usually, you can try special glasses, you can try use regular contact lenses. That can help reduce the glare quite a bit sometimes if you have got a little bit of prescription left over. But for a lot of the patients that we see, it's not quite enough. Even with a pair of glasses, they still see glare. And for some of them, it's worse than ever before, and they don't know what to do about it. Well, there's a really easy way to fix it, actually. And it seems pretty intuitive once you learn about it. If the problem with the new cornea is the fact that it's not shaped as the normal cornea used to be beforehand, what if we just made the eye the same shape or similar shape to how it was before? Well, enter scleral lenses and enter hero lenses. What they do is essentially you wear a shell over your eye. It reshapes your eye to the shape of the contact lens back to the kind of more average shape cornea, and then the glare, a lot of it, can be gone. In fact, what we can do with these lenses, not only can the lens resurface the shape of the eye, we can also run your eye through a special device to measure all the weird stuff going on. It will actually print it out for us and show us on a map, say, oh, this is what this patient sees. This is why they see glare. These are all the aberrations that cause it. And then we can put all those points into the lens and eliminate them so you have no more glare after you wear the lens. That is what we can do with the hero lens.